1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in again. On today's episode, it's gonna be an update on the Tacoma. What's been going on with this thing. This thing has been a little bit more unreliable than I thought. Not necessarily unreliable, but problematic. It already costed me about $1,200 this week, and that included me having to replace the water pump, timing belt, pulleys, and all that. So I'm not a mechanic, so I did take it to a real mechanic. Let me show you guys what the problem was. All right guys, so the other day when I replaced these hoses, I put red coolant in there, and I noticed that there was a leak, a really massive fast leak. And I went under, and then I started searching, and then I noticed that the water pump area, like around right there, was leaking. And obviously I don't know anything about this engine. I don't know how to even dig into this thing, so I took it to the shop really close to my house, and they're a 5-star rating, and I was recommended to them. My neighbor takes his car there and stuff, so I said fuck it, why not, let's take it there. And it took them about 2 days. They changed the whole water pump assembly. Pretty much I'm good to go now. Timing belt was about to snap, literally, like he showed it to me, dude, and it was like fried, like cracks everywhere. Like it was just perfect timing, guys, for me to get this done and over with, so that is that. And pretty much I'm ready to go with the timing belt for another 100,000 miles, hopefully. But that costed me $1,200. That's a lot of money, but I'd rather have a professional take care of it than for me to break the engine and whatnot. But yeah, that's pretty much where I stand right now. So far I spent that money. Also, I did clear coat these damn headlights, but they fucking, this is how they came out, guys. I am not proud of it. I'm gonna get new ones. So yeah, I got some LEDs in there, some like $25 LEDs. They are actually really bright, so I'm happy. So enough with the negative vibes. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna be pretty much, I bought 2-inch spacers for the front so I could lift the front 2 inches just so it could level out with the rear. Because as you can see, the rear is more higher than the front. So I bought some kind of cheap spacers. I'll show you guys. They say they're 2 inches, but they don't look like 2 inches to me. So let me go ahead and open these so I can show you. These go on top of the shock, and then they bolt in between the shock mount and the shock. So that's 2 inches. Let me go ahead and measure these for you guys. They are advertised as 2 inches on eBay. They're less than 2 inches. Let me go ahead and get my tripod. So they are They are not 2 inches, bro. Look, they're like 1 inch. Damn, they fucking lied to me, bro. Fuck, we'll see. I'm gonna throw them on and let's see what happens. I'm gonna jack up the car with the truck so I could get access to the shock. Actually, I need to loosen up the wheel first. Alright guys, so here we are. My brakes are fucking rusty, dude. I need to clean these shits and paint them or get new calipers. But pretty much I'm gonna take that nut out, nut and bolt. These 4 nuts.
These nuts. Got him.
I already took off I already put WD-40, so let me go ahead and I hope that I'm able to do this by myself because I don't have anybody with me right now. Jesus Christ, guys. I can't believe how tight everything is on this damn truck. I don't think I'm gonna be able to handle this right now, especially on the side of the road here. But what I am gonna do is I think I have a wire brush. I'm gonna just try to take some of this off for now. Alright guys, so basically I got the top ones loose. My job is now to loosen up this 19 down here, which is being a little stubborn. But get that son of a bitch out. Got it. Oh shit. Here's where we're at now. Got the spacer now. There we go. That's one. There goes one screwdriver. How am I supposed to spin this shit? One second, let me figure it out. All right, guys, I figured it out. So, pretty much these 3 nuts right here, these 3 studs, they go into only into a certain way. So this one pretty much lines up with that, so that it's easier to slide into the position right there. So I had to take it off from where I originally put it and spin it so I could get the thing to line up, because you can't get this thing to spin once it's on, you know. Let me finish up. This is harder than I thought, honestly. Here's my setup. I have my jack that comes with the truck. Pretty much opening that space. Right now, here's where I'm stuck. I think I'm like 19, I can't fucking find it. Half the threads got stripped. Ah, my leg's getting cramped. Ah, my leg. Go. This little jack came through clutch. Put the brake line back on. 10mm. Holy shit, bro. This is the passenger side all done. It looks perfect. Hopefully it stays like that. Lifted. I need to finish up this side and then we will be done. Look at that lean though, it's leaning so hard on the driver's side. It looks low compared to the passenger. Let me go ahead and finish up the other side and I'll show you guys the finished product when it's all done. All right guys, I just finished up this side. I just want to show you guys exactly what I did. Actually, I'm missing one bolt right here. So you gotta remove the brake line bolt that goes here. Just take that off so it could be like, it could give you space. But the main important thing that I discovered while doing this install is you need this OEM bottle jack that comes with the truck. So it could pretty much open up the gap in between the arm and the frame. So as you can see, it's hitting the frame there and it's hitting the arm. So it's pretty much putting tension, opening up that gap for you so you could work here. Because I struggled to do the other side until my brain started working and I remembered I had that bottle jack. So last thing I need to do here, second to last thing, is put this bolt back. 12 millimeter brake line bolt. If you guys have a garage, this will be way easier. I'm literally on the side of the road, so it's a hazard, but I gotta do what I gotta do to make sure work. Now you grab this attachment, then you find a little hole here, and then you pretty much start unjacking it. There we go, the jack's off. Woo! There we go. This thing is so useful, dude. I used to hate bottle jacks until now. Alright, so I'm gonna take it around the block real quick. Let the suspension settle. First, let me put my tools away.
When you press me to your
Sheesh. There she is, guys, with the eBay 2-inch spacer that doesn't even measure 2 inches.
That's That's what she said.
But it's still kind of lifted the front 2 inches. Damn, that looks so good, bro. Sheesh. Next up on this truck is gonna be some TRD Pro wheels from the newer one, the newer Tacoma. Some black TRD Pro wheels, 17s I believe. Oh my god, it looks way better, dude. I just need to throw the center caps back on. But damn, this thing actually did lift. And it rides good, like stock. Damn. I'm happy, guys. The front looks way higher. The headlights look like they're blinking on the camera, but they're not actually blinking. I'll leave the link in the description for these spacers. They were like 30 bucks. Damn, that looks good. Way better. I actually really like the lean. It's gonna look good once I throw the wheels on, the black wheels that I want to get. Damn, that looks good. Thank you guys for tuning in one more time, guys. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys like the way the truck's coming out so far. Little by little, we'll be piecing it together and making it the truck that I want, you know, the truck that I've dreamed of my whole life. We got our hands on her already. Now it's just time to improve her from here. With that being said, give the video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.
It's been a long time.